Guys, welcome to Effortlessly Info channel. Today I have DOOGEE T30 Pro and I will show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Our first step to do that is opening application which support it. Maybe Google Chrome, something would have more information than you have on the one side of screen. We can search website Effortlessly Info maybe. And in it we can take long screenshot. And to do that we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. And after that we press capture more. And there we can add more information and take long screenshot. To save it we press this save icon in the left corner. And that's all, we have it in our gallery. See you soon, bye!